is also known as the Bayani Han Club from the Philippines. They will be performing two songs. The first one, the Maligayan Araw. Maligayan Araw means happy day in Tagalog. It is a dance from the Tagalog region. Ayan, Filipino. This dance is performed at happy occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and graduations. The second dance that they're going to do is called the Arnis, also known as Kali and Eskrima. It is a Philippine martial art and national martial art. Sticks are used to extend the arms in combat. Other weapons can be used, such as knives, but just for tonight, they're going to use sticks. So here you go, the Bayani Han